Vehicle Legends is a popular Roblox game that focuses on racing and customizing vehicles. Players can race against others, earn money to buy and upgrade cars, and compete in various events. Here's some information and tips for Vehicle Legends. Earning money. To buy and upgrade cars, you'll need money. You can earn money by participating in races, winning events, or completing missions. The better you perform in races, the more money you'll earn. Customization. Vehicle Legends offers a wide range of customization options for your cars. You can change the appearance of your vehicle, upgrade its performance, and even add decals and paint to make it unique. Tracks. The game features a variety of tracks to race on, each with its own challenges and obstacles. Learning the tracks and finding the best racing lines can give you an advantage. Vehicle classes. Different vehicles in the game belong to specific classes, e.g., supercars, muscle cars, sports cars. Each class has its strengths and weaknesses, so experiment with different classes to find the one that suits your racing style. Events. Keep an eye out for special events and tournaments in Vehicle Legends. These events often offer higher rewards and can be a great way to earn money and XP. Join a community. Roblox games like Vehicle Legends often have active communities and Discord servers where players share tips, strategies, and discuss the game. Joining a community can help you stay updated on game updates and connect with other players. Practice. Like any racing game, practice makes perfect. Spend time honing your driving skills to improve your racing performance. Remember that Vehicle Legends may receive updates and changes over time, so it's a good idea to stay informed about any new features or adjustments to the game. Additionally, always follow the rules and guidelines of the game and be respectful to other players for an enjoyable gaming experience.